What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you my my MGP, and today just showed up like 5 minutes ago. I unwrapped it from its box, and I got this. So let's see what's in here. And it's going to be an unboxing. Of the MGP Nitro and Days. What the? Yeah, this is my scooter. Hope you like this and why. Got Gorilla Grips though. It's really dialed though, I bet. Oh, Allen key in here probably. Oh, look at that nice Allen key. Alright, in a couple of weeks I will be showing you what it looks like after like a couple of weeks of riding it. Thank you. Have a nice day.